are very excited to learn a new sound. But before that, can you identify this picture and tell me the beginning sound?
Ma'am, this is a door. And the beginning sound is D.
Excellent, Revansh. Now the next picture.
Ma'am, this is a goat. And the beginning sound is G.
Well done, Revansh. Kids, let us learn the sound O with the help of a story. Oscar was a little boy. One day he asked his daddy,
What is the beginning sound in my name, Daddy?
Daddy said,
The beginning sound in your name is O or Oscar.
Oscar got very excited and he wanted to learn more words having the beginning sound O. Oscar started searching for things beginning with the sound O, and suddenly he saw an ostrich. And he said,
The word ostrich begins with the sound O.
Oscar was very happy. He walked and walked and came near a river. There he saw an octopus. Oscar said,
The beginning sound in the word octopus is O.
Oscar was very happy. And then near the river, Oscar saw an ox cart. He climbed the ox cart and happily said,
The beginning sound in the word ox cart is O.
Oscar got very tired, so he ate the oranges from the orange tree and happily relaxed under the tree. Now let's recall the words beginning with the sound O. Ostrich, octopus, ox cart, oranges, and Oscar, the little boy. Now let's learn the sound O with a song.
Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh.
Now children, let's trace the letter sound O. Hold your pencil properly in your tripod grip and place it here. And now start tracing. Yes, come on, let's make the left curve. Bring it down like this and again bring it up till the starting point and stop. The sound is O. And now let's make the letter sound O with a single dot. Yes. Come on, do it like this. Bring it down and again bring it up and stop. The sound is O. Kids, let's do an activity with clay. Come on, let's take clay of any color and then roll it between your hands like this. Roll, 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 roll and make it long. Yes, like this. And now make it a bit longer. Yes. Now let's place it. Yes. Like this. And bring it up like this. Yes, children. Can you tell me the sound? Aw. And now put your finger over here and start tracing. Bring it down and again bring it up and stop. The sound is aw. Now let's do an activity in the salt tray. Take out your index finger and start making the left curve. Bring it down and then again go up and join at the starting point. The sound is aw. Remember children, the sound is aw.